Sometimes we have a lot of things at our disposal, but we don't know how to utilize them. Hey guys, good morning. I hope you had a wonderful night rest. It's a beautiful new week and it's promising. I trust God everything is going to work out well for you this week. The things you hope for will come through. Now, I had to take like a walk this morning, and while walking, I came across a security guy in the next compound. He was jogging. He jogged past me without noticing I'm the one. So while he went along, I noticed he was very focused. He wasn't concerned about what was happening next to him. And secondly, he was jogging with his slippers on. That really got me. Like, I have like how many pairs of sneakers? I have like everything I needed, but I haven't actually said, okay babe, go ahead and do this. But here's someone who has literally none of those kits. The weather was really chilly this morning. He was like on a singlet, a short, and then on slippers, and he was jogging. Like, sometimes we have a lot of things at our disposal, but we don't know how to utilize them. And then we have people who have like nothing, but then utilize a little or nothing they have, and then they get results. I think I got the lesson I actually needed for the week. I hope that makes sense.
Just as it is with our sneakers, so it is with our mind. We have a powerful tool at our own disposal, but most of us don't know how to use it to get whatever we want in this life. No wonder someone said that when the value of a thing is not known, that abuse is inevitable. Whatever we need to get whatever we want in this life is inside here. In our mind, the human mind is everything we need to get whatever we want. There is nothing, and I mean nothing, the mind would think of and won't achieve if it is properly harnessed. I therefore crave your indulgence to please use the power of your mind to create and achieve your dream, your desire, the lifestyle that you want. And that's exactly what we do at Mind Boss TV, helping you and I use the power of the mind to create our dreams and aspiration. We're also using this medium to promote, encourage up and coming entrepreneurs around us. If you have any question about this video, me or anything else, please post it at the comment section of this video. Also remember to please subscribe to Mind Boss TV. We're just trying to promote our own. If you don't do it, nobody will help us do that. It is free of charge to subscribe to Mind Boss TV. And thanks to Consider Daniel for that wonderful piece. I enjoyed it, and so I decided to share it with you. Please share it with someone